Hello students, today we are going to start class 5th subject GK chapter 10 non-verbal reasoning skills. So this involves the ability to understand and analyze visual information and solve problems using visual reasoning. For example, identify the relationships, similarities and differences between shapes and pattern and recognize visual sequence and relationships between object and remembering them. So in each of the following series of patterns, one of them does not fit. Identify and give reason. Choose a figure which is different from the rest. So now look at the first one. So in all other figures are lower right quarter rotation in shape. So which one? Only the number A is a different and other than is the same. So now come to the second one. So which one is different? E1, because the arrow head along the circumference of circle indicate motion in a ACW direction. Now look at the third one. So D1. All the other figures are divided into equal parts, but D1 is not. Okay. Now come to the fourth one is B. So one straight line has been cut into half is B1. Now the last one is the only 4 arrow ahead. So which one is the different is B. Okay. So here we have completed chapter 10. Now come to the chapter number 11. The Green Warrior. Want to make the world better place implementing green practices at home and outside can help reduce waste, conserve natural resources, improve both air and water quality, protection of our environment. Identify this picture of the eco-friendly object and resources. First is natural alternate fuel. Collective term for natural vegetation is PET. Now the second one, the eco-friendly clothing has antibacterial properties, natural and biodegradable. These clothes are cool and non-sticky is bamboo fiber. Bamboo. So children, a beneficial drink with health benefit, reduce unwanted fat and prevent oral cancer is green tea. Okay. Now use the energy of tide to power turbines to generated electricity is tidal. Now the seeds are very useful. Produce biodiesel used in standard automobile diesel engines is sorry children, this is a tidal energy. Okay, now the fifth one is jatropha. Okay, now the last one is the sun's energy is a resource that can be used all year around is solar panels. Okay, so children, here we have completed chapter number 10 and the chapter number 11, and this work you have to do in your textbook only. Thank you.